I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your Stripe balance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by signing into your Stripe account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple businesses. Step 2. Navigate to the balance section. Once logged in, go to the balance section found in the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage your funds and view your current balance. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the balance section, look for the Add Funds option. Click on it to proceed to the funding options available for your account. Step 4. Choose your funding method. You will see various methods to add funds such as bank transfer or credit card. Select the method that suits you best and follow the prompts. Note, if you choose bank transfer, ensure you have the correct account details to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. After selecting your method, review the details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation once the funds are successfully added. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adding funds to your Stripe balance. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check Stripe-based support resources. Happy transacting!